Hey.
Look at this. I cannot do her hair. Also, I cut my bangs. Like, look at this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruby, and today's video is going to be like a little chit-chat update DIY kind of video. I don't really know.
Whoa,
I'm just making it up as I go along. Anyways, don't mind the mess in the background. Like, for the longest time, I've been wanting like a whiteboard calendar type of thing, and I haven't found one that I like. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and make my own. I had these two. Aubrey was drawing on them, by the way, but I had these two picture frames at my mom's house, and I was like, this is perfect for what I want. So my idea is to first of all paint this like a baby blue color. Baby blue, this is great. What? I have a baby blue Sharpie, so I'm gonna write the names of the weeks, like going down here like that, and then continuing onto this side.
C.
And yeah. Okay guys, so these are the picture frames that I've picked up from Dollar Tree, and obviously there's like no picture in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Also, Aubrey's right there, so if she's being loud, I'm sorry. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and write down the days of the weeks going down like this or somehow like that. We'll figure it out as we go. But I do want to like paint these a different color because I don't like the black. I'm thinking like baby blue or pink. I'm not sure yet. So yeah, I'll show you guys as I'm doing it. She's being a little grumpy because she only got like an hour nap. So yeah. Let's get started. Anyways, if you guys seen our last vlog, we mentioned how we wanted to take her out and treat her on her birthday, and now thanks to the virus it's going around and whatever, we won't be able to do that. Everything is pretty much on lockdown. Is that what it's called? But basically a lot of places have closed, and so now we won't be able to take her out.
The non-essentials.
Yes, the non-essentials.
I work for HVAC, so I'm essential. I'm an essential service to everybody. That means I'm important.
Anyways,
here, have this one.
If you guys didn't hear, Gabriel and Aubrey are right here, so excuse them. So anyways, as I was saying, we won't be able to take her out anymore. I think we're still cutting a cake for her, but that's just gonna be like my parents and my sister and my two nieces, and that's really much it. I'm glad we got her all her gifts before all this went down though. She has a lot of things to open, so yeah. Anyways, so now that I just have this board thing, I'm gonna go ahead and paint it white to prime it, and then I'll go in with the baby blue. Okay, so as I was saying, we're planning on taking Aubrey to the No Surrender. So obviously that's canceled. We're planning to take her to Build-A-Bear, and that's canceled, which sucks because Build-A-Bear does a if it's your birthday, you get the Build-A-Bear for however much your since she's turning 2, she would have gotten the Build-A-Bear for $2, and I would have to pay full price.
Well, it doesn't matter about the price. It's her birthday now.
I was excited to get a good deal, first of all.
I was excited to get a bear for my daughter. Like, she can pick out which one she wants.
I was excited for the deal. Yes, baby?
That sounds like broke.
You want to paint? Tell Daddy.
Yeah, Mama's. Paint? Okay, let's go.
She's been saying ha instead of yes or see, and I keep reminding her see, and she'll just go ha. But anyways, like I said, we're just gonna make a little cake for her, whatever. But okay, so the other thing I wanted to update you guys on was the bottle. We took away her bottle a week ago today. No, tomorrow. It's gonna be a full week tomorrow. We took away her bottle a full week ago tomorrow, and she's actually doing so good. Today at my sister's house.
Give me that.
We went to my sister's house today, and my niece still drinks a bottle, and she's seen her with the bottle, and at first, yeah, she was like, mama, titi, like she wanted one, but I told her like, no, baby, like, you know, your bottle's over here, and I gave her bottle, and she was okay. I thought she was gonna have like a meltdown the minute she seen the titi, but no, she was totally okay, and she was like, oh, okay, didn't cry, nothing. So I was so happy, so proud of her. But yeah, the first day was
your hand?
tough. The second day,
Let me see.
it wasn't too bad.
Let me see.
She still asked for it, and also she kept throwing the bottle, the new sippy cup. Like every time I would give it to her, like she would ask me, "Oh, where's my titis?" And I would give her bottle, and she would like literally throw it at me. Like she wanted nothing to do with that bottle, with the sippy cup.
Her sippy cup.
She wanted nothing to do with the sippy cup. Like she would throw it to me, and I just kept giving to her whenever she would ask for it. I just kept giving to her, even though she would throw it at me. But yeah, the second day wasn't so bad. She started drinking out of her sippy cup until she found a bottle behind the bed. I guess we had like left it. It was nasty, but she found it and she was like, she was so excited. And then I told her like, no, it's cacas. Put it back. It's cacas. And she like her face was like so sad. And then she puckered her lip and she put back the bottle and then she started crying. And then it was like back to square one. Honestly. But she got over it. And then after that it was easy after that. So yeah, it was just easy after that. So if you're trying to take away the bottle, just like do it. It's really not that bad. Like it was 2 or 3 days that was
It wasn't that
tough.
bad. I almost fucking shot my brain down in front of the whole wall.
Gabriel, guys, he literally was looking for a bottle because he wanted to just like give it to her. Like he was just ready to give in and I just give it to her.
Well, because
but
I felt bad because she was crying like
yeah,
she was dying. Like it hurt my heart.
He did not like seeing her cry, be honest. And so before, when she used to have the bottle, she would need a bottle to go to sleep, and now like she drinks her titi, but then she gives it to me like whenever she's done drinking the water in there, because I put water in there. She gives it to me, and then she kind of just like talks herself to sleep.
Dude, she's like hyper 1 second, and then like
she just knocks out.
She's knocked out. Like if you stay quiet, like pretend she's not there, like she'll just fucking go to sleep. Like she'll just close her eyes and
I don't know how else to paint this part. And then her nap time in the afternoon, that's when I had a little bit of trouble like getting her to sleep, because like I said, I used to just give her a bottle and then she would fall asleep with that, but not having the bottle kind of, I don't know. And she doesn't really fall asleep with the sippy cup. She kind of just, like I said, drinks it and then she'll give it to me and then she'll fall asleep on her own. But in the daytime, it's a little bit harder to get her to fall asleep because it's not like pitch black like in the nighttime. So what I do is I usually just go on my phone and go on my TikTok, and then she watches TikToks with me, and then she falls asleep like that, which is so weird, but it works. Okay, guys, so now I'm done with the why, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually write down the names. So I'm gonna have Gabriel help me with that real quick, and then I'm gonna go in with the balloon. Okay, guys, so I wrote this down. I only have like 2 pieces of white paper, so if I fuck this up, like that's it. I ain't got nothing else. So I kind of did how I'm gonna write it. Hopefully I don't mess up.
Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday?
Yeah, because it's gonna go like this. So it'll be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
What about Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
That's gonna go on the other one. Okay. And I gotta leave a little space in between each one for the number. So like the day of the week. Okay, I'm a little nervous. It's okay. That looks stupid, huh? Because it's like small, bigger, bigger, bigger.
Okay, well, they have more letters in the fucking word, Naya. Duh. OVO.
Does it look... Oh my god! I messed up. That looks ugly.
What do you mean?
Okay, so this is the best we got. This one's like really shitty, but...
No, it's not. You're going to put it on a whiteboard like you put it back on the glasses?
Guys, so that's it for... today, right now. I'll come back tomorrow morning to show you guys the end product. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, guys, so this is what it ended up looking like. Obviously, if you do this, make sure to like leave some room right here. But yeah, this is how they look. I think it came out pretty cute. I'm happy with it.